Learn these text effects in less than 5 minutes. Hey there, my peeps. Grammy T from Grammy T Knows. Welcome back to the channel. By the end of this video, you will be able to create any type of text effect that you can imagine. Let's get started. So we'll begin by locating your Creative Cloud icon. Mine is up here. You would find yours wherever it's located on your desktop. And you would come right here to Firefly. And it will open up in a web browser because this tool is web-based. Come right here to Text Effects. Click right here. And when you open it up, you will see an array of different types of text effects. Now on the left side of each effect, you will actually see the prompt that was used for the effects, as you can see. And if you want to actually use any of these effects, you can click on it and it would open up to that particular effect. And right here on the left is the actual text that you're going to use. So you would type in whatever your text is, and then in this space right here, you would type in your prompt. Right here on the right hand side, you will find the properties panel. And this is where you're going to make all your adjustments. And at the very top, you will see the sample prompts. And these are prompts that are already created and you have option to use. If you choose, you would just click on them and then come down to the bottom and generate. In a few seconds, you'll see your results. If you want to see more options, just click on View All up here. This next section is Match Shape, which determines how tight or loose the effect will be around your fonts. And as we can see, tight is a very clean look. Let's see what medium looks like. And that's pretty interesting. It's quite busy, but you have other options here as well. Let's see what loose looks like. And that's pretty extreme. However, it's just depending on what you're looking for. So you have all these options, as you can see. In the next section, we see the fonts. And the fonts are pretty limited. There are more if you click on View All. However, there aren't a lot. And then also at this point, you cannot import your own fonts in. That may be something that Adobe will do later, but I don't know. And in this section is your background color and your text color. The wonderful thing about the different background colors is you get to see how these effects will render on the different colors. However, when you decide to save any of these effects, choose transparent background, and that will give you options to be able to place it on any background that you're actually going to be using. Now you might say, Grammy T, I don't like any of these options. I want to choose my own. You said that I can use my imagination. So you would begin by coming right here, typing in your text, and then you come over to the prompt and you type in whatever you can imagine. And we'll say dripping ice blue water. Wow, interesting. Looks ice cold too, doesn't it? And let's see what the medium renders. Wow. And loose. That got really wild. The final step is to click on transparent background and then come up here and download it. You're just going to click on continue here, and you can say don't show this again. Go on and save it. And that's it. You're done. This is a wonderful tool which will take your designs to the next level. So now we can see that Firefly's text effects saved you lots of time while still adding aesthetically pleasing creativity and a professional touch to your designs. Here are some of the types of media you can use this tool for. Your marketing tools such as flyers, posters, social media graphics. Your educational materials such as textbooks, worksheets, presentations. It adds stylish and unique designs to your websites and for your logos. You can also create personalized messages for greeting cards, invitations, and other creative projects. So now you have a new tool in your tool belt. I hope that this video has been beneficial to you, and if it has been, as always, go on and like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let other small and new business owners know that Grammy T Knows brings you new tips each week, every Friday. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.